Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday. We're about to slam a back and bicep workout, and I'm gonna let you know what the new flavor is for the Keto Brick. We're gonna get ready to go on our trip to Denver tomorrow, so get ready for all the excitement. Crystal's excited, isn't that right, baby?
So excited.
So excited?
I am excited. It'll be really good. It's gonna be an awesome day, and it's gonna be a really good weekend.
Yeah?
In Denver.
These new lights, though. I want to interrupt this program. Crystal and I are talking about glutes and underdeveloped glutes, and she just said that I have the best glutes she's ever seen. All right, back and biceps in the books. About to get ready for our morning team meeting with the Keto Brick crew and then go for my run. So let's knock that out. All right, y'all, so just got done with the workout. Just finished up the morning meeting. Check out the Keto Brick team. It's growing. We got Corey, we got Bridget. Let me zoom this in a little bit. We got Kara, we got Jonathan, we got, who's that guy? We got Bryson, we got Crystal. Let's get some bricks made. All right, y'all, now that the morning meeting is over, I have just driven to the park. There's like a, I don't know, probably about a 1.5 mile loop around this park. And I'm gonna run that probably about 2 times. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, workout in the books. 2.6 miles down. Let's get it. All right, I had to swing by my uncle's warehouse and grab some labels for the bricks because we're gonna be labeling all day long today. All right, y'all, so we got this new flavor launching right now. Or launching, I'll tell you when that's about to launch. It's not launching yet, but I'll tell you when. Anyways, you don't know what that new flavor is yet. So, let's go find out. We'll go into the little warehouse here. And we'll go check out the new flavor. We got Bridget on cleaning duty. Nice, nice. Look at those molds. Make them span. Come in here. Check it out, check it out. We got all kinds of action going down here.
Oh yeah.
Y'all look so happy. So happy and just fun, loving with life. And look at the smile on Corey's face right now. I've never seen a smile that big.
Get out my face.
What do you think, baby? You digging it?
I don't think, I just work.
So this is all the new flavor, right?
All
Yep.
new flavor.
All the new flavor. What is the new flavor? What is the new flavor, babe? What is it?
Coconut!
Coconut?
Cream!
Coconut cream?
You sent out that email and someone thought it was Coconut Dream. They're like, rhymes with coconut cream, must be Coconut Dream.
Yeah, coconut cream. Anyway, so the new flavor is coconut cream, and I'll give y'all some specifics. It is 2 grams fewer carbohydrates than any of the other bricks, so it's 12 grams of total carbs for the entire 1,000 calorie brick. It's got toasted coconut chips, it's got fine ground coconut in there, and it's probably my favorite flavor thus far. There's no flax. What else is different?
It's made with love.
No nibs. It's made with love. That's not different though. That's with all the bricks.
Oh, okay.
So no coffee, no nibs, no flax, no caffeine, a lot of flavor. We got the put like some wide pitch on it to get it just for me and get it everybody. Starting here.
You can open it soon. See if we can have a whole thing going, right?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that is pretty much what you have to look forward to on the bricks. About to have one right now. I really like hold on. The toasted coconut flakes in there give it a different texture than any of the bricks. Like, there's no nibs, but those flakes give it like a chewy, crunchy, I don't know, I just really like it. I've been eating one of these every day because I like it a lot. But yeah, that is the update on the bricks. That's gonna go live at 12 noon Central Standard Time on Sunday. This Sunday, which is the 10th. Pretty sure it's the 10th. So March 10th, Sunday, 12 noon Central Standard Time. And that seems to be the best time for everybody. So that's why we're launching it again. So yeah, that's pretty much the big update as far as the bricks go. Excuse me, as far as the bricks go. We're going to Low Carb Denver this weekend. I'm gonna get footage of that. We're gonna be driving back on Sunday, so I'll pull over somewhere to Starbucks or something, launch those bricks. So I'll post it on Instagram, social media, and I'll send out an email too. So everybody should know when it's going down. This is a limited edition though flavor. We're not probably gonna do these again. We might, but I'm not really planning on it. Kind of depends on everything, how the feedback is, but it's got coconut in it, which I'm a fan of, a lot of people are a fan of, but it's an allergen to some people, so I don't like having a main flavor that's an allergen necessarily. But I don't know, we'll just see. But as of right now, this is a limited edition. This is the only time I'm planning on launching this flavor. So hopefully we'll make enough that everybody that wants to try one can try them. And that's pretty much it for the vlog today. I appreciate the support. Appreciate y'all getting a brick. Y'all are awesome. I'm hoping to get some really good footage of Low Carb Denver for y'all. And I will see you tomorrow. We're going to be driving there, so it's a 14-hour drive. We're probably going to stop, pull over somewhere and find a gym and train. So hopefully we can find some cool gyms to get footage of us training at between here and Denver. See you then.